Hello guys, we're back again with another vanity video. So today we're gonna learn dual tone lighting effect in just one simple click. So we're going to edit this picture. This one is before and this one is after. And we're going to do this, no, not we or any of us. All this editing stuff will be done by AI. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, go to any browser and search for ClipDrop, or else you can directly download the app from Play Store. I'm just using the site. So entering the site, you will be able to see all the tools that are available in ClipDrop. You also can try all these tools, but we're gonna use Relight. So scroll a bit and choose Relight. Now clicking here, add your photo that you want to edit. So while adding it, it will show this interface. Click on downscale and continue. Yes, the quality decreases a bit, but not that much. Here, as you can see, a new interface has opened up. So here, the lights are available: red, green and blue. You also can change the color or delete any of those lights. I'm deleting the green one. So select the light and delete it from here. You can change the background from here. You can remove the background and add a solid color too, but I'm just keeping it original. You also can get the PNG image by selecting transparent. Now this ambient option is used for increase or decrease the brightness of your skin. Now let's edit the lights. So select the light and adjust the position. You can change the color from here. You can play with these settings according to your need. So after you're done, save your picture by clicking this download icon and result option. And we're pretty much it for today. Hope you liked it. If you did, then give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new. I'll really appreciate it. Okay, anyway, I'm leaving for now. Stay tuned for the next upcoming videos. Till then, keep supporting, keep loving. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Amrul Islam from theastltd, signing out.